Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mrugla and today I'm gonna show you how to paint the realistic clouds with watercolor. Use the masking tape and stick all around the paper. As I am painting the seascape, so I am using masking tape on horizon line that won't messing sea area and easy to blend the colors while painting the sky. Okay, now here I am applying the water on sky area and start applying the Naples yellow on downside of the sky. Somewhere in the bright orange shade on the sky, so I am using cadmium red light and Naples yellow red and applying on it. Okay, let's add the clouds. For the first wash, I am mixing cadmium red light and Indetherine blue. And giving a very light wash. For the second wash, I am using burnt umber, indifferent blue and cadmium red light, mixing and applying on the downside of the clouds. In the third wash, I am mixing indifferent blue and raw umber and applying on the downside to give the heavy wash. I want to add some more small lighter clouds, so I am using raw umber, indifferent blue and cadmium red light and applying on it and giving some more layers till I am not satisfied. Wait till dry the paper. Once dry the sky area, take out the masking tape and stick on the clouds. Now I am painting the ocean. I want to give you the small tip here. Remember, while painting the ocean, use the same colors which you used for clouds, because all the clouds colors reflecting on the ocean, that gives you the realistic effect. Okay, here I applying the water on downside of the ocean and start applying the same colors which I used for clouds. For painting the ocean, I am using same brush stroke which I used in my previous video, ocean painting video. Okay, if you won't saw my previous tutorial how to paint the ocean with watercolor, then go and check it out. And I used Arches watercolor paper 140 lb here, and other art material details I give you in the description box below. You can check it out there. I'm finished my painting and these clouds look so realistic and so soft. Hope this video will be helpful for you. For more painting videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the like button. If you have any questions, please comment me in the below, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.